Gwrandawodd Comisiynwyr Plant Cymru, Gogledd Iwerddon ac yr Alban I blant am eu profiadau nhw o'i hawliau, ac I ba raddau y mae nhw'n teimlo bod nhw'n derbyn yr hawliau hynny. Dyma rhai o'r atebion rydyn ni'n rhannu gyda Phwyllgor y Cenhedloedd Unedig ar hawliau'r plentyn.
When I think about poverty, I think of inequality. It's not fair and it's not right.
I remember going to school without any breakfast and being really starving until lunchtime. It was really difficult to pay attention.
Mae bysiau a threnau'n ddrud, ond mae cael cysylltiadau hawdd mor bwysig ar gyfer gwaith a chymdeithasu.
There are a lot of physical symptoms. My mental health is also bad. I cry a lot. I just want to get better. Nothing the doctors do helps.
I tried going back to school, but I felt really sick all the time. I had a headache and sore tummy, and I was too tired to do any work in my class. Mummy tried to help, but I found school too noisy and too bright, and just overwhelming.
There's nowhere near enough support at all. You wait to get signed up, you wait for almost a year and a half, and then you get referred up and up, until you get someone who has no idea what you're talking about anymore.
Dylai pobl ifanc fod ar ganol pob gwasanaeth sy'n ei cefnogi, ac ni ddylai unrhyw rwystrau bod yn ei le sy'n stopio pobl ifanc rhag gael y gefnogaeth maen nhw ei angen ac maen nhw'n ei heiddi.
I'm LGBTQ+ and I don't feel accepted. I think schools could do more to build this into education. I'm not sure who I should speak to when I have a problem.
Kids are taking their own lives because dissident paramilitaries are trying to get them to do stuff they don't want to do.
Mae casual racism yn cael ei ddefnyddio, ac mae pobl yn meddwl bod hi'n ddoniol I ddefnyddio hiliaeth fel joc.
There is a lot of bullying, and it happens all the time. What should we do if we are bullied, and what can we do if the school doesn't do anything? I'm not sure if we're told about this.
Dwi'n meddwl mae'n bwysig cael cynrychiolaeth eang gan bobl ifanc mewn ysgolion cynradd, achos mae ganddyn nhw farn pwysig iawn.
How can it be that there are still governments and countries that are made up of adults who ignore the best interests of children when they are making laws and decisions? What hope do they have for the future of their country, for the future of our planet, for the future of humanity, if they seek to ignore the needs and wishes of the children in their care?
Mae angen I ni glywed lleisiau plant a phobl ifanc. Rydyn ni wedi rhannu'r profiadau yma gydag arbenigwyr yn y Cenhedloedd Unedig i'w helpu I ddeall bywydau plant. Mae nhw angen y wybodaeth hon fel eu bod nhw'n gallu sicrhau bod llywodraethau y Deyrnas Unedig yn cadw eu haddewidion hawliau dynol I blant a phobl ifanc. Diolch I bob person ifanc a rannodd eu profiadau gyda ni, ac I bawb a recordiodd eu lleisiau am y fideo yma.